Hi friends, welcome to Nisha's Food Hut. Today we are going to see an easy snack recipe for kids. For that I am going to take only 2 cups of fresh idli batter. Make sure that the idli batter doesn't get well fermented because it will turn too watery. Besides that, in a mixer jar I am going to add 3 pods of garlic, 4 red chilli, and I'm going to grind it coarsely first. Now here, after grinding it coarsely, I'm going to add 2 to 3 spoons of water to make it as a smooth paste. This snack is very simple and it can be prepared within a no matter of time. Now if you can see, the chili paste is ready. Now I'm going to add the chili and garlic paste to the idli batter that we have taken, and I'm going to mix it well. I'm not going to add salt here as we have already added salt to the idli batter. For a better moldment, I'm going to add 3 spoons of wheat flour. If the batter is very fresh, wheat flour can be avoided. If it is watery, then you can add 3 spoons of wheat flour, mix it well. Finally, for some masalas, I'm going to add half spoon of cumin, chopped curry leaves 1 sprig, and mix well. So if you see, it's in the dropping consistency, which is very perfect for making the snacks. After mixing well, I'm going to rest it for 10 minutes, which is at most required for the batter to rest. Now the batter is ready for a fry. If you see now, it's almost catching the spoon. So this is the perfect consistency for frying. Before frying, I'm going to give just a very valuable tip. A piece of coconut into oil before frying doesn't absorb more oil for the snacks. Let it nicely fry before the bondas are prepared. Now here, after, I'm going to add the bondas little by little. There is no any specific shape for the bondas. It can be prepared as such, as the batter is very pouring. It is very delicious. The idli batter always has its own taste. If you see now, the bondas have well come up, and I'm going to just flip it till the color changes. This is very lovable by kids especially because they always come across the taste of the dosa in this bonda. And here you go, our instant spicy bonda is ready. And see how it has got well prepared. It's well cooked. Please definitely try this recipe at home and let me all know your feedback in the comment section. Subscribe to Nisha's Food Hut. Stay connected to our channel. Keep watching. Thank you.